Keeping track of your Solana in Phantom Wallet can feel like a crypto nightmare, but don't panic. We'll get your Sol back in sight. First, let's try the simplest solution. Give your Phantom Wallet a quick refresh. Close the app completely. That means swiping it away from your recent apps list. Then, reopen Phantom. This often clears up minor glitches. Next, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Phantom Wallet needs a reliable connection to display your Sol balance accurately. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Now, let's double-check your network settings within Phantom. Make sure you're connected to the correct Solana network. Sometimes, wallets can default to a test network, which won't show your real Sol holdings. If the problem persists, it's possible your Sol token visibility is disabled. Go to your wallet settings, find the Manage Token list, and ensure Solana is toggled on. The toggle should be blue or green, indicating that Sol is visible in your wallet. This simple step can often bring your missing Solana back into view. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot why your Solana wasn't showing in your Phantom Wallet and get back to managing your crypto with confidence.